Hey everybody, this is Zach Warren here at Phillips RV, and I am standing in the gorgeous North Trail Caliber by Heartland. This is a bunk house. Now, I am a firm believer in Heartland product. I believe that for the price range you're looking at, Heartland is the best product out there for each price range. Whether you're looking at a entry-level camper or a high-level fifth wheel, Heartland's name screams quality, and it screams beautifulness. And here we're actually going to start in the bedroom. We have our nice queen-size bed here. We have our inlaid cabinet doors right here with the hidden hinges. Now, this is actually in the Caliber package, these hidden hinges right here. This is a hardwood front. It's not a press board. It is actual hardwood. And then we have two mirrored cabinets on the side here, so we have tons of storage space. We also have our two little nightstands at the end. It's just really nice for charging your phone, going to bed with a glass of water, something like that. I really like that. We got the nice sliding door right here. I like sliding doors. They're real easy to operate and everything. They don't stick with heat or cold like closing doors do. So coming out here, we're actually going to enter in our kitchen area. So a few things I absolutely love. Again, with the Caliber package, hard surface countertop. This is not a laminated countertop. You don't have to worry about any kind of delamination with any kind of moisture, water, food, anything getting on here. It's a hard surface. Now you do get these beautiful sink covers. Sink covers do two things. They give you a cutting board, and then they also give you added counter space when they're down. Now, pulling these sink covers off, we reveal this beautiful stainless steel sink. Again, the stainless steel sink is part of the Caliber package. We do get our pull-down faucet here with this high faucet. And it's a nice big sink. You can do tons of dishes in there. You can wash fruit, wash vegetables. Just a really nice thing here. Now, going through the kitchen, we do have our 3-burner top stove here. Now, if you've seen my other videos, I like to talk a lot about this glass plate right here. This does a couple things. It adds counter space when you need it, when you're not using it, and it also doubles as a backsplash. Just kind of pull this up right here, let it rest. You now have a backsplash if you're cooking maybe a sauce or something that's going to bubble. Now, if you look right down here, this says Furrion down here. Furrion is one of the top manufacturers of quality products in the RV world for your appliances. If you see the name Furrion, you know it's a high quality product. Now, with this, you also have your stove underneath. It's a self-igniting stove, so you don't have to go in there with a match or a light or anything. It'll ignite itself. And then we have our high point microwave up here. We also have our fan and our light. And then right behind you here is my favorite part of the kitchen. First of all, we have this little booth here. It's great, like if a kid wants to sit down or something, you can actually lift this up, use it for storage if you wanted to, hang some coats. And then right here, you can read it right there, pantry. Have this huge built-in pantry right here. It's my favorite parts. You know, when my wife and I go camping, we cook, you know, and we want to do barbecue and everything. We don't eat out, so we can stock up for 2 weeks on this thing and just chow down, you know, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It's just a beautiful addition to here. I love how they added this in the corner. Now, coming into the dining area, we have the U-shaped dinette. Absolutely love the U-shaped dinette. It gives you a nice family atmosphere, family dinner. This will actually turn into a bed. There's a separate piece that goes down, so you will have sleeping area here. We do have our automatic refrigerator, runs off of gas and electric, and it's got decent size to it. I mean, it's a pretty large refrigerator. It's a big freezer too. You know, you can keep tons of meat up there, maybe some hamburger, sausages, bratwurst, whatever you want to put up there for your grilling needs or your cooking needs. Now, coming back through the kitchen, we're going to actually enter the entertainment center. Now, another thing with the Caliber edition, you are going to get the TV already installed. It's a nice TV, looks to be probably about 48 inches. Now, right here again, we see Furrion, high quality. AM, FM, CD, DVD, USB, Bluetooth, auxiliary, it does it all. So if you want to pop in SpongeBob TV, have the kids watch it, great. You want to catch the Bears game on AM radio, you can. If you want to Bluetooth some music from your phone, maybe some Blake Shelton or some Taylor Swift, Metallica, whatever it is, you can do that right in here. Now we do have all this cabinet space. You know, we have 4 cabinets here on the bottom, 3 cabinets on the top, 2 to the side. And again, we also have the cabinets all the way around. So, I mean, you are getting a lot of storage space in here. Now, we do have this cabinet right here. It's nice and deep. It's right next to the bathroom here, so you could use this as a linen closet. You could use it to maybe keep a couple game systems, you know, whatever you wanted to do. Now, another part of the Caliber package is this right down here. This is your central vacuum. So you put your vacuum hose right in here, vacuum up. You don't have to bring anything with you, Dyson, you know, anything like that. It's already included in here. Then, of course, we do have our love seat right here. Our love seat is going to convert into a bed, so you do have sleeping area. So already, we've already seen sleeping area for 6 people, 2, 4, 6. We have another 3 cabinets over this love seat. And then we get to our bunk house, which has sleeping for another 2 to 4. So this realistically can sleep up to 10 people. It's a beautiful thing. I mean, you can have a large family in here, or you could have company whenever you want. It does have the ladder already pre-installed with a lot of other manufacturers that expect you to buy that ladder. These are very, very soft. I mean, I love touching these. It's a very nice fabric. It's very easy to sleep on, stays warm. And then one of my other great features of this is my bathroom in here. So what's great about this is you see the door that goes onto the bathroom. We all know kids are messy. We all know they can get dirty, they can get muddy, they can get grimy. So what better way to keep your camper clean than to have them come right into the bathroom, have them disrobe, take a shower, take a bath, whatever they need to, and then come into here and be clean, and then they can change in here or change in here. Now, another thing is if you're doing any kind of partying or anything outside, maybe you're doing some grilling, instead of having to go all the way through that front door over there and walking through, maybe getting the floor muddy, come right back here and just isolate all that dirt and everything right into this bathroom. Just a lot easier to clean. It is a porcelain toilet. I always love walking up to these and tapping them. So that is porcelain. You do have a bathtub. Maybe you got a 1 or 2 year old one, want to give them a bath. Just a beautiful camper. Again, guys, this sleeps 10 people. It is a Heartland product. It is high quality. You can see for yourself. You'd be missing out if you didn't come see this beauty. Again, my name is Zach Warren. I work for Phillips RV in Bradley, Illinois. And stay warm out there, and hopefully I'll be seeing you soon.